Just a quick video to show what I got going on here. Basement workshop, also known as the dungeon. I've got a TCI sensor, crank position sensor, pickup, whatever you want to call it, up in a vise. And I've got a faceplate off of a TCI rotor chucked up in the drill press. Right now the drill press is set for 1500 RPMs. Flute meter set to AC millivolts, and here's a sound card oscilloscope loaded on my laptop that I just got loaded and just got it to work, and I ain't quite figured it all out yet, but it is working. Let's fire it up here. Alright, so a little over 240 millivolts at 1500 RPM, and we're picking up a trace. So even though I really don't know how this thing's working yet, let me try bringing it down here. So the numbers are off. I got to figure out a way to calibrate this thing. Peak-to-peak voltage is 534. Effective voltage is 58, 59 millivolts, which doesn't square with what the flute meter is showing, but a minor detail. At least now I can look at the different sensors that I want to try and use, and between the flute meter and this trace, should be able to figure out what's going on. Cool.